Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to activate the dark mode on the POCO F4. The dark mode is really great for your eyes and it's also improving your battery life on the POCO F4. Why? Because when you are in bright sunlight it's really great to read all this. So you have here the white background and the black typo and the black font. But if you are in a dark environment in the evening or something, then it can be that your eyes that it's not so good for your eyes. The second important thing is that POCO uses here an OLED display on their F4 smartphone, and the OLED display means that every pixel which is black doesn't consume energy. So it might be great just to have everything black and the typo in white, so you can improve your battery life. And because of that, you can use the dark mode on the POCO F4. And to activate the dark mode, you must go here in the settings. And when you are in the settings, you go to the display. And here you have the color scheme. And here you have the light mode and the dark mode. And you can see here when I click on dark mode, everything becomes black. And that means that in a dark environment, it's really easier to read. And for your battery life, it's also great because everywhere where we have black, it doesn't consume energy. And so my battery will last longer. You can also get to more dark mode options. And you can adjust wallpaper to dark mode. You can adjust text and backgrounds automatically. And that's really great if you want to use it. And you can also schedule the dark mode. So if you want to schedule it, you can choose from sunset to sunrise, and you can see from sunset to sunrise now it's not evening, so it went automatically to the standard mode. But when we are in our sunset and it switches to then it will switch automatically to dark mode. But you can also customize it, turn on and turn off in a special time period. Okay, so this is really great. You have the light mode and the dark mode on the POCO F4, pretty easy and really great. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.